Welcome everyone. This is going to be lab number 4 in AWS security series, and name is Monitoring and Alerting with CloudTrail and CloudWatch. Lab overview and objectives. In this lab, you will configure logging and monitoring in an AWS account. You will understand how to create an AWS CloudTrail trial, which will be an audit log of API calls made in the account. You will then create an Amazon simple notification service topic. By subscribing your email to the topic, you will be alerted when particular event occur. Next, you will define an Amazon event bridge rule. The rule will notice any time that someone modifies a security group and will send you an email alert about the incident. Finally, you will create an Amazon CloudWatch alarm to notice whenever multiple failed login events occur for the AWS Management Console. After completing this lab, you should be able to do the following: analyze event detail in CloudTrail event history, create a CloudTrail trial with CloudWatch logging enabled, create an SNS topic and an email subscription to it, configure an event bridge rule to monitor change to resources in an AWS account, create CloudWatch metric filter and CloudWatch alarms, query CloudTrail logs by using CloudWatch logs insight. The scenario is the lab start with EC2 instance that is associated with the security group. In one of the lab tasks, you will test whether modifying the security group successfully invokes a rule and sends you an email. The lab also starts with pre-configured CloudTrail trial that writes the two CloudWatch logs. The lab also include a pre-configured AWS IAM user, which you will use to test alerting for failed console login attempts. By the end of task 3, you will have created and configured more resources in the account. The environment will look like the following architect. We have EC2 with security group linked to CloudTrail trial, which is wearing a role, my CloudTrail role. This trial writes to CloudWatch logs and specific events, invoke event bridge rule and sends detail to SNS topic, and SNS topic then email to the user. By the end of task 5, we will have the following table. AWS Management Console will be added, and then we have CloudWatch log insights, CloudWatch metric filter, CloudWatch alarm, SNS topic, email notification and to the user. Task 1 is creating a CloudTrail trial with CloudWatch logs enabled. Let's go to CloudTrail. go to event history. From read only drop down menu, choose event source, and then it is going to be cloud formation.amazon aws.com. Choose the most recent create stack event. So the analysis of this event is the create stack event occurred when you started this lab. The stack created use resources in the account. Notice that the record includes details such as user identity. For the person who made the API call, event time, AWS region, yes. Next is create a CloudTrail with CloudWatch log enabled. So in the navigation pane, choose trials, and then create trial. Trial name is going to be my lab cloud trial. Storage is going to be create new S3 bucket and accept default bucket name, which include AWS CloudTrail logs. Log file access EKMS encryption. Clear the checkbox. To disable the option CloudWatch, select enable. Log group new. IAM role, choose existing, and then lab cloud trial role. Choose next. On the choose log events page, event type, keep management event, and don't select data event or insight event. No. API activity, keep read and write. Choose next. This is where you would complete the process to create the trial. However, the user that you are logged in as does not have necessary permission to create a cloud trial with the CloudWatch logs enabled. This is because of the security restriction placed on AWS accounts that are used for labs. Instead, choose cancel. Now we will analyze the cloud trial that is already existing. Now task 2 is creating an SNS topic and subscribing to it. So Amazon SNS is a fully managed messaging service for both application to application and application to person communication. The A2P functionality provides the ability to send messages to user at scale through SMS, mobile push, and email. In this task, you will create an SNS topic and subscribe your email address to the topic. The topic will be used in later tasks to deliver email alerts to you about important activity that occur in AWS account. So let's create an SNS topic. Go to SNS and then create topic name. We are going to give my SNS topic. Next, display name is an optional, we are not going to give. Expand the access policy option. And then define who can publish message to topic. Publisher is going to be everyone, subscriber everyone, and create topic. To create an email subscription to the SNS topic, choose create subscription. Notice that the Amazon resource number ARN of the topic that you just created is already filled. Protocol email. This is my email. And create subscription. Check your email and confirm the subscription. So email, I have received an email which says you have chosen to subscribe to this topic, confirm the subscription, click or revisit the link. So I will confirm the subscription. It says subscription confirmed, you have successfully subscribed. And next, task 3 is creating an event bridge rule to monitor security group. In this task you will create an event bridge rule. The rule will notice whenever inbound rule change are made to a new or existing security group in the same region in your AWS account. Whenever the rule condition are met, the rule will publish a message to SNS topic you created. So let's go to event bridge. And choose create event. Role name is monitor security group. And event bus default, rule type rule with an event pattern. And next, inbuilt event pattern screens appear, and event source is AWS event or event bridge partner event. And under event pattern, choose custom patterns JSON editor. So leave the sample event optional default setting. Under event pattern, yes. Choose, where is custom pattern or JSON editor. Okay, copy and paste this in the editor. Choose next. Important to record event with the detailed type value of AWS API call via CloudTrail. A CloudTrail with logging enabled is required. The trial that was created for you fulfill this necessary condition. In the select target section, target type AWS service and select a target, choose SNS topic. And topic my SNS topic. In additional settings for configure target input, choose input transformer. In the input path field, copy paste this code. First need to select wait. Target input section we have to paste now. And then in the template field, copy paste this. The input path you are setting defines 4 variables: name, source time, and value. For each variable, a value is set by referencing data contained in the JSON structure of CloudTrail event that match event pattern that you also defined. The input template that you are setting defined the information that will pass to the target, which in this case is an SNS topic. Notice that the template include the name of 4 variable defined in the input path. Just confirm and then next create rule. Next is to test the event bridge rule. Modify a security group that is associated with an EC2 instance. Go to EC2, go to instance, choose lab instance, go to security tab, link for security group, inbound rule, edit inbound rule, choose add rule, type SSH, source anywhere IPv4, save. Now check out CloudTrail event history. Navigate to CloudTrail, go to event history, and it says put role. Notice the most recent entries that appear. One event should look like similar to one shown in screenshot. Which is shown in screenshot. Authorized security group. Yes. Then choose this link, and in the event record make sure the from port and to port shows 22 not 80. In the event record section, notice that details of this event match some of the details that you set in the event bridge rule that you created a moment ago. Specifically, the event source ec2.amazonaws.com and event name authorized security group ingress name value pairs in the event match the event pattern that you defined in the rule. Therefore, this event should result in message being published to SNS topic that you created. Check the inbox of the email address you subscribed, and I got a message which says authorized security group NS API call was made against this security group on this. Details are this. Next is task 4, creating a CloudWatch alarm based on a metric filter. So far in this lab you have used CloudTrail and Event Bridge to alert you whenever someone modifies the inbound role for a security group in one of the region in your account. In this task you will use a different service, CloudWatch, to notify you when a user fails to log in into the AWS Amazon console a specific number of times. So let's go to CloudWatch. And it says expand log and then log groups, and then select checkbox for cloud log trial, and in action go to create metric filter. then configure the following filter pattern. Choose next. Filter name, console login errors. Metric namespace, CloudTrail metrics. Metric name, console login failure count. Metric value 1. Next, and create metric filter. Now create a CloudWatch alarm based on the metric filter. On the metric filter tab, select the checkbox to the right of the cloud login error. So it says in metric filter tab, select box to the right of the console login error and choose create alarm. On specific metric and condition page, in condition section, configure in the following alarm details whenever console login failure count is, choose greater than / equal and then enter 3. Observe the setting. This alarm will be invoked whenever the sum of console login failure counts metric that you defined is greater than or equal to 3 within any 5 minutes. Now choose next. On configure action page, select SNS topic. Choose select an existing topic. Notification sent to my SNS topic and choose next. On the add name description, add failed login as a name. Next, and create alarm. Now next is to test the cloud alarm by attempting to log into the console with incorrect credentials at least 3 times. Go to IAM. Go to users. Choose for test user. Choose security. Security credentials. And then copy console sign in link. enter credential including incorrect password and attempt to sign in. Repeat this at least 3 times. So let us enter anything. So I have entered it 4 times. Next is to each time that you attempt to log in, you will see a message indicating that your authentication information is incorrect. This is expected. Re-establish your access to AWS account. Close all browser where you have AWS console image open. And just bring this back. Graph the metric that you created. Navigate to CloudWatch, and in the navigation pane expand metrics and all metrics. In the metrics section under custom namespace, choose CloudTrail metrics. So in the metric section under custom namespace, where is the custom namespace? We have to wait until the metric shows up. So I am unable to do the step number 17, so we are skipping to step 18. It says check alarm status and detail in the CloudWatch console. In the navigation pane expand alarm and go to all alarm. The state for failed login alarm should be in alarm. No, it says insufficient data. Let me then do this step again. In which go to IAM, go to user, go to test, security credentials, copy this one, paste and go. Put test sign test go to CloudWatch again, in alarm, out alarm. It again shows insufficient data. says wait for a minute or two to show this alarm state as an in alarm. Let us check the email as well. So there is something wrong with the rule because neither I have received an email nor there is sufficient data for this one. Oh, now it says in alarm. Wow, that's great. And I got the email as well. You are receiving this email because Amazon CloudWatch alarm failed login has entered in alarm state. Nice. Now the last task is task 5, querying CloudTrail logs by using CloudWatch log insight. In this final task in the lab, you will use CloudWatch Logs Insight to query CloudTrail logs. CloudWatch Logs Insight enable you to interactively search and analyze your log data in Amazon CloudWatch Logs. You can perform queries to help you more efficiently and effectively respond to operational issues. So go to CloudWatch and go to Logs Insight, and from the select log group drop down menu under log insight, select CloudTrail group, delete the existing content from the query field and then copy and paste this one. And run query. So the output should look similar to the following graph. Yes, it is. Congratulations. In this task you successfully queried log trial by using CloudWatch Log Insights. So task of this lab is completed. Let's submit it for grading. So we got 20 out of 25 score, and this lab is completed. Thank you.